Right.
Just a slight chance of a sprinkle maybe popping up, but let's take a look at it. Actually, it was an interesting night last night with some of that heavy weather moving into town. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for a period of time. Really no severe weather reports coming in, at least out of that particular event. Great shot coming in from Stephanie down in Dunkirk. There was one lightning bolt, by the way, that did hit a house just to the south of Collins Center, and it created a house fire. But that really is the only severe weather report that we did receive. But, of course, that could have happened even with a garden variety thunderstorm because there's lightning in those, too. Down in Stockton, the heavy weather, great picture moving into town late yesterday afternoon. And as we take another look at another shot of some lightning here, this one coming in from Greg of the Buffalo Harborfront. Beautiful picture here, and those lightning bolts out over the lake. Well, we're not going to have any of that lightning going on today, that's for sure. In fact, much of the area will enjoy a pretty sunny afternoon, though we're seeing a little zone of cloudiness popping up right now across northern Erie County and off to the east, and it's possible if you're in the wrong spot, you might count about 10 raindrops coming down, maybe on the windshield this afternoon. But outside of that, it should be mainly dry across the area for this Thursday afternoon. As we work our way into the nighttime period, these fair weather cumulus clouds will dissipate, skies clear, and the winds will drop off to calm after midnight. And with a dry air mass in place, I think that some of the interior sections might be looking at a frost tonight. Now, we don't have any frost advisories in effect yet. Of course, if any are issued, we'll bring them to you. But if you live in interior sections, particularly in some of the deeper valleys, you have some tender plants outside already, you may want to take some precautions and protect them at least for the overnight period. Now, we're going to sneak in a little bit more sun on Friday before the clouds start to move back at us again, getting into the afternoon, and the computer is suggesting that some rain shower activity will start to develop as we get into the afternoon, though I think the bulk of the rain is going to hold off until the evening hours with this batch, and this will produce some thunderstorm activity across the area once again tomorrow night, and we are at a risk for maybe some strong to severe storms across the area again during the evening hours Friday night. That will wind down fairly early Saturday. There still could be a thunderstorm maybe early Saturday to the south of the metro, but it will taper off to some scattered rain showers for the day. It's going to be a windy, cloudy, colder day. In fact, even a few wet flakes could mix in the higher terrain Saturday afternoon. Would you believe? 64 degrees for a high at the Falls this afternoon. Also at Buffalo. Batavia peaking at 62. Down the south, generally low 60s. Across the southern tier along the Pennsylvania line, maybe up to 65 at Coudersport. And your forecast high at Jamestown this afternoon, 61 degrees. Let's take a peek at the current readings. Well, it is a coolish afternoon, springy out there. Look at it that way. 59 degrees in the Falls, 58 at Buffalo, 57 down at Bradford. And your forecast for this afternoon, the sunset time at 8:23 for the rest of this Thursday afternoon. Mostly to partly sunny skies. Rather breezy, the high 60 to 65. Just an outside chance of a sprinkle across northern Erie County and maybe into Genesee. For the overnight, mostly to partly clear skies. Patchy inland frost, 35 in the valleys to about 41 degrees in the city. Then tomorrow, morning sunshine, increasing clouds after that. Some showers start to develop during the afternoon. High 60 near Lake Ontario, but about 68 along the Pennsylvania line. Maybe closer to 70 in that direction. Mostly cloudy on Saturday. Windy turning colder. Scattered rain showers, maybe even a few wet flakes mixed in the higher terrain during the afternoon with falling temperatures through the 40s Saturday afternoon. And for Mom's Day, just a chance of an early shower. Otherwise, coolish, 52 degrees and partly sunny. Mainly rain.